Hi there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. Look at this, isn't this nice? Black rims, white as can be. You got a roof rack up on top, black lettering, power lift gate along with power sliding rear doors. Both doors will open up, and then you got this back. Also has remote start, keyless entry, keyless start, stow and go. These seats will fold down one at a time. The seats will go flat down into the, right into the floor here, and it's called stow and go. And then these two middle ones will disappear too. So it's front wheel drive, 6-cylinder. It's got a clean auto check. It's all set up, ready to go. It's got factory warranty left on it. Quad seating in the back here. Nice clean back seat. This car's nice. Nice sleek dash line, AM, FM, satellite, backup camera. Of course, you can do Apple Play, Android Auto in it. Dual automatic climate control. Auto shift, radio and cruise control on the steering wheel, adaptable cruise control. Of course, you got your blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, all that good stuff. Power windows, door locks, mirrors, memory seats, nice analog gauges, nice fan. Missing something though, you know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.